Alexa, turn on kitchen lights.
Okay.
So it's already voice controlled. Alexa, turn on living room lights.
Okay.
Okay, so with voice controlled lighting, you won't have to go to the light switch and turn it on or off manually. You would just have to tell Alexa what you want to turn on or off and she will do it for you. Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another property tour. Today I will be showing you the model units of Intalio Estates. It is a new project here in Canitoan, Cagayan de Oro. It's developed by We Communities Inc., which is already a national developer. They have several projects in different cities all over the Philippines. They have projects in Manila, Davao, and Iloilo. So currently we are outside the Magnum model unit, but they actually have 5 house designs to choose from. So their Magnum is their biggest unit. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths. It has a floor area of 99 square meters and a lot area of 110 square meters, and it's at 5.2 million. Next is the Roca model unit. It has a floor area of 80 square meters and a lot area of 99 square meters. So it has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths. And next is Zeta. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths with a floor of 70 square meters and a lot area of 88 square meters. And then fourth is Oro, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and baths. Floor is 60, lot is 77. And then last is we have Fresco, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Floor is 45 and lot is 66 square meters. So all their units are single attached units. So now let's check out their Magnum model unit. So welcome to the Magnum model unit. So as you can see, there's a small space over here that can be used as gardening space. So you can put plants, flowers, herbs. You can even plant vegetables if you want. And then over here is their carport. So what I really like about this model unit is that it has a 2-car parking space. Now most Cagayanons have more than 1 car, actually 2 or even more. So if you have multiple cars, then parking would not be a problem for you because this can fit 2 SUVs. So their parking is quite large and spacious. Again, it can fit 2 cars. Now let's go over to the back area. So this is your rainwater collector and it's connected to the pipe over here. Now instead of the usual PVC pipe, they use PPR pipe, which is a material that's a lot stronger than the regular PVC, which is just made of blue plastic. So what happens with a PVC pipe is that if the pressure is too much, then it can burst because it's just made of plastic. But here, it's very sturdy, as you can see. The rainwater from the roof goes down through this pipe and then into the rainwater collector. So there's a faucet over here. You can use it later on to water the plants or wash the car. So it's very eco-friendly. And then there's a service area over here. So you can also renovate it as an outdoor kitchen or a laundry area. So there's a faucet over here for your washing machine and sink if you want to do the dishes outside or wash other stuff. And you can also actually utilize this space. You can remove this and make it into extra storage space or a maid's quarters. You can just seal everything off. So it can be another extra bedroom. So now let's check the interior of the unit. Welcome to the Magnum model unit. So as you can see, it has an open floor plan. Upon going inside the unit, it just flows from the living area to the dining area and to the kitchen. So there are no partitions, because what's great about an open floor plan is it can make the space seem bigger, more spacious, and the air can flow more freely. There's one bedroom here on the first floor. So this is a good sized bedroom if you have the elderly living with you, if you have your parents or even your grandparents living with you, then you can put them inside this bedroom. Because one of the challenges that I see with a lot of houses here in Cagayan de Oro, especially ready-made houses or even pre-selling houses, is what's located on the first floor is only the maid's quarters and all the good-sized bedrooms are on the second floor. At least with this option, you have a bedroom on the first floor where you can put your parents in, or those who are the elderly, so that they won't have to go up and down the stairs. So the windows are a lot bigger, and they allow more light and air to flow inside your home. So these are called CLERESTORY windows, which is basically just a window on top of another window. So the purpose of CLERESTORY windows or having multiple windows is to just really allow more air, light to flow inside your home, so you won't feel too cramped and you will feel more relaxed and at ease inside your home. Now for the height of the first floor, it's actually higher than your usual house and lot, because most houses, at least here in Cagayan, they have a standard height of about 2.4 meters. But for the houses here in Intalio Estates, the floor to ceiling height for their first floor is 2.8 meters. So it's 0.4 meters higher than the regular. And also on the second floor, which I'll be showing you later on, it's even higher. The second floor is 3.2 meters in height. So the advantage there is, since hot air rises, if the height of your house is too low, if your ceiling is too close to the ground or the height is too low, then it won't allow for optimal airflow and you will just feel hot and cramped inside your home. But if the height is higher, like for example this house, it's 2.8 meters, then hot air can rise and you will feel more comfortable inside your home. Now for the main entrance for this door, and also the service door located near the kitchen, it looks like wood, but it's actually made of 45mm steel. So it would be pretty hard to break into because it's made of steel, so it's a lot safer for you and your family. It's also functional, and at the same time, it's low maintenance. So you would be able to enjoy your doors longer because it's made of steel. It would last longer than doors that are made of plywood. So as you can see, the house is really surrounded by windows. There's a big sized window over here. 2/3 of the wall is made of window, and over here, another window. And then here in the kitchen, there are 2 more windows. So if you're cooking something, even if you have this, it would also make more sense to just open up all your windows so that smoke or like smell of food can easily go out. And also, since you have cross ventilation, you would feel more comfortable inside your home. Now for the kitchen cabinets, they've used particle board with melamine coating. So this means it is more durable since this is moisture resistant. So since the kitchen is a place for cooking, there's a lot of moisture going on, at least you can be sure that they will last a lot longer than regular wooden cabinets. It's also soft close, so even if when you open it and you just let it go, it will close softly on its own. And then for the kitchen countertops, we have a beautiful quartz countertop finish. And also for their top 3 units, which is Magnum, Roca, and Vita, smart features are already included within the package. So they have voice-controlled lighting, so Alexa is already included in the package. And then they also have a two-way camera with audio feature, and they also have smart sockets, which is pretty safe since you can already control the socket or using your phone. Like for example, if you were charging something and then you went out and then you forgot to get the adapter from the socket, so you can just turn off all your sockets in your house to be sure that you're safe. Okay, so let's try the voice-controlled lighting. Alexa, switch off kitchen lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on kitchen lights.
Okay.
So it's already voice controlled. Alexa, turn on living room lights.
Okay.
Okay, so with voice controlled lighting, you won't have to go to the light switch and turn it on or off manually. You would just have to tell Alexa what you want to turn on or off and she will do it for you. So this is the toilet and bath located here on the first floor. As you can see, it's a lot spacious than your usual toilet and bath. And the ceiling of their toilet and bath is made of PVC panels, so it's not your usual plywood. And the advantage of having PVC panels for the ceiling of your toilet and bath is that they are waterproof. So they will certainly last longer than your regular plywood panels. And now let's go to the second floor, but before that, we have to check out their staircase. This is actually made of steel. So steel staircase with concrete thread covered with fiber cement. So this is a lot more durable and will last longer compared to a staircase made out of just regular wood. And there's also a small Zen garden located on the bottom of the staircase. So this is only for decorative purposes, but if you want to put something else here, like maybe bookshelves or extra storage space for your cleaning materials or whatever you want to put. So this is space that you can still actually utilize. Now let's go to the second floor. So now we're here on the second floor already, and there are 3 more bedrooms on the second floor. So again, 1 bedroom on the first floor, 3 bedrooms on the second floor. So let's go over here to the first bedroom. As you can see, the ceiling is very high. It's a lot higher than your usual. It's 3.2 meters high. So if you can visit their model unit, then you can appreciate the spaciousness, all the space. That's an effect that you can appreciate all the space that comes with the extra height. And again, they have CLERESTORY windows over here. So they have windows on the side, and then they also have smaller windows on top of the windows here. So the purpose of this is to allow again air and light to go inside your home, so your home is brighter, more comfortable. Air can come and go, move in more freely around your house, so it will be cooler even during the summertime. And then we have the master bedroom over here. And there's a balcony. You have a view of the balcony from your master bedroom. So the master bedroom comes with its own toilet and bath, although there's also another toilet and bath on the second floor for the 2 other bedrooms. And then this is the third bedroom on the second floor. So the design for this bedroom is more playful. They used mint green and orange colors, more ideal for those who have kids. So you can see how you can set it up if you have smaller children. And then this is the toilet and bath located here on the second floor, similar size to the one on the first floor. And the master bedroom is the only bedroom with access to the balcony. So again, the balcony does not come with a turnover unit, but you can easily add it on after the property or the house has been turned over to you. So this is a good sized balcony which is located on top of your carport. You can even extend your master bedroom. Instead of having such a huge balcony, you can make the balcony only in this area, and then the rest of the space over here, it can be an extension of your master bedroom, or you can make it into your walk-in closet. I'm sure girls would love that. And this ends the tour of the Magnum model unit. If you have any inquiries, my contact details are in the description box below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!